All right, I'm back on the clay of this warrior. I was laying in bed about 2 o'clock this morning, and I would yell out to Alexa to make a memo of a title that I had thought of while I was laying there in bed for this piece. I've come up with about 4 titles. And my design that I'm thinking of doing is having him standing here holding on to a stone head war club, holding a shield in this hand, in the wind, and he's wearing a chief's shirt, a hair shirt. Let me explain what that is. I'll come right back and tell you. A hair shirt is a shirt only worn by those chosen to be a chief or a sub-chief in a tribe. And what it is a shirt made up with, instead of leather fringe, the shirt has fringe made up of hair from each individual in that they have authority over, and they all donate a lock of their hair, and then they make it into fringe that is sewn onto a leather shirt. And it's called a scalp shirt, but it isn't scalp. It's a hair shirt. I'm gonna have to look it up because I think it just reminds the leader who he has authority over and responsibility over, and each one of those locks of hair represents a person they have responsibility for. I think it's a great idea. Anyway, I'm going to continue working on this. I'm liking the idea I'm coming up with in my head. I just wish I had the ability to tell you what I'm thinking, and I'll just have to wait to do that. I'm also going to tell you that I might this week or the first of next week have to make a run to the foundry because I've got several bronzes coming out, and I've got to pick a couple up for a client who's going to come by here and pick it up, and I've got one that or two that I'm going to be delivering to a gallery in Bozeman that shows my work. So I'm not sure exactly when that'll be. It'll either be this week or next. I don't know why I'm going in detail on the stomach here. It's not going to show, but anyway. All right, I'll come back when I get a little bit more clay on this. on the human body, the halfway point between the top of the head and the bottom of the feet is right here. And as you can see, I've got it worked out perfectly. So proportion-wise, he's correct. And that's a hard thing to achieve sometimes. But you got to double check yourself to make sure that you're following in those guidelines. I'm happy with the way the leg has turned out. It's really hard to get that right. No matter how many years you've been sculpting. Before I can go any further, I gotta do his head. So I might just do that tomorrow. But I've got the body locked in pretty much. I'm let's see how big that shield's gonna look like. That's about what I'm thinking of as for the shield. It's the shirt that's gonna really, and the clothing, and the ground. I'm thinking of having some prairie grass on here blowing along with the wind. I did that once in a sculpture years ago of a pioneer woman standing in a field of prairie grass holding a baby, and they had just gotten to a homestead that they had the rights to, but they had to farm it, and they had to do it over a certain period of time. They had to build a soddy and all that stuff, and she had just arrived there from back east, and her clothes are still untattered, and she's wearing shoes and has a baby. And I've got that lady standing there in the wind on the prairie, and she's wondering, what has she done? She's given up the green beauty of the East and the safety of the East for the unknown of the West. And I had a great grass feature in that piece, and I'm thinking of trying that with this. I don't know if it'll work or not. Anyway, you get any idea of what I'm thinking of. He's going to have a war bonnet on. That's my thinking right now. I don't know if I'll do that yet, but it's going to be blowing in the wind as well, and that whole action is going to add to the look of the whole piece. All right, I got my jig set up so I can do his head. I'm going to go ahead and take that off now. And put it in. And I'll start working on his face tomorrow, because I can't do his shoulders until I get the head done. All right, this will be tomorrow, and I'll see you guys then. Good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.